What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today, I don't really know what I'm gonna do. So yeah, let's get to it. Well, what am I gonna get to? Do fidgets. Okay, so I have these on because some of y'all can't really hear me because this thing is weird. Okay, this is heavy. Heavier than I thought. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so we have this. Open it up. There's fidgets. So you see, we have a poppet. You know, that poppet. I had an American Family Insurance and poppet, but I don't know where it is. Okay. So my wacky truck. I had a way longer one, but I traded some of it. So yeah, I traded. So now I just have not that much. Oh, that hurts so good. So simple, papa squish, papa squish, papa squish, simple, mommy squish. Okay, so we have my blackjack. You can't barely see it because it's so small. I attached like a lot to it, so yeah. I attached just some. It's not that much. Yeah, it's all that. Next is this puppet. You didn't really get to see it, but it's a really good puppet. It's cotton candy one. Smells like fidgets. Yeah. So, and then we have, I'm going to do this one for last. A puzzle ball. Basically, if you don't know what one is, you have to like push it to where they match. So like the yellow would go in the yellow circle thingy, and the pink would go in there. So there's a puzzle ball. I actually have 2 puzzle balls, so I'm gonna put the things out that I've already showed. I have not showed that. Next, are my scams, I think. Yeah, next are my scams. You really think that this is one of those little balls, but it's not. It was actually a ring, and I cut it. So this is one of my scams. And I have a marble nurse. That's one of my scams. So, scams over there. Next are my... Where'd the other one go? Okay, well, I can't find the other one, but... Here's a pop tube, a mini one. I love the mini ones. I love the mini fat ones like this. Okay, so... there, one a puzzle ball. Next is... Hello! A pea popper. you can like hang it to your book bag or something. So yeah, a pea popper. Next is this. You like really have to spin. Okay. Yeah, if you watched my other video, you know that I have a hurt finger, so. Ow. If you spin like this, yeah, it would change colors like rare, but they're like attached onto like a rope in there, so yeah. You can't like take them off and put them back on. So yeah. Next is a snake. Ow. A snake. Oh, and my infinity cubes are in my book bag for school. Because when I'm on the bus, I'm like bored. When my friend Elena ain't on the bus. Well, I have my friend Luna, but yeah. Because she's the first stop, and when she leaves, I'm like, what can I do now? So, I'm bored. So I keep them in there. Here. I might do a part 2 because, like, it's getting kind of late. So, but like, don't know. I have like, so there's my snake. And next is, I think this one might be one of my scans. Yeah, you see all that like crust right there? I tried one of those baking soda with toothpaste ones. It didn't work. Don't trust the 1, 2, 3 go things. Well, I mean, you can, but don't do the one that like does the baking soda and yeah. You're just wasting a clean poppet. Really. So, a poppet that's wasted. Now that's dirty. And then we have my monkey noodles. Well, here are the colored ones and the themed ones. Well, the themed ones, like a caterpillar, a unicorn, and a unicorn. You can see the horn. And then, yeah, you see that. And then the caterpillar. So, yeah. And then I just have the normal colored ones. So we have orange. We have orange, pink, and yellow. So there were my monkey noodles. Yeah. Okay. So there's that. And next are my fidget spinners. So yeah, we have this one. Well, the next one ain't really a fidget spinner. It's a poppet fidget spinner, like you see. So, yeah. How come I lost my... Okay, so there's that, and then I have this one. That one. And then I have this one. Blue. So, yeah. Next, I have these. I forgot what they were called. Bicycle chains, I think. I can't remember. I know it's something bicycle and chain. Well, I only know it's something chain. So I have these, whatever they're called. Forgot. And then, there's another one. So, and then this one's not really one, but I actually used it as a tangle, but now I have a tangle. It's in my book bag. Okay. Owie. So then I have this. Oh my gosh. This other. Oh my gosh. This thing is like going to fall off. Like if it doesn't stay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Okay. So, there was that. Okay, so we have this ball, the fidget spinner ball. Yeah. Next, this little fidget thingy. Okay, so I made the lights, and I had hold on a sec. Okay, so yeah. And then we have this puzzle ball that I don't think I ever will take apart because it's way too hard to put back. So yeah. And then, oh, this is part of my scam. So, you see, I would do this, and I would, I would put the thingy on the back of it. Put the thingy on the back of it like that. It'd look like a ball's in it, and they would take it when it's a scam. And I would say, no trade backs. So, next we have these rings. Oh, that's my hair finger. Okay. So, the rings. Last up, my favorite. It's this thing. Wow. So yeah. So yeah. Bye.